Welcome back to the A to Z blogging series. Let's see what we have covered till now. How to purchase domain and hosting, how to design your own blog, and how to make your blog secure by adding a free SSL certificate. I have also discussed about how to fix DNS issues encountered while setting up or migrating your WordPress hosting in a separate video. So if you have missed these videos, go check it out. Link is provided in the description. Next, we are going to discuss about how to add a subscription form, send emails to your subscribers, and send emails automatically on subscription. So there will be 3 parts of this video, each discussing one topic. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Connect your subscription form with Mailchimp to send email to your subscribers. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. First step is to sign up on Mailchimp. Let's go to mailchimp.com and click on sign up free. Now enter your email, username and password and click on sign up. You will receive an activation link on your email to activate your Mailchimp account. If you have not received it, re-enter your email and try again. Go to your mail and click on the activate account link. To proceed, click on I'm not a robot button. Now it will display all the plans. You have to select the free one. Click on complete. Now to set up your account, you need to provide some details. So enter your first and last name. Click on continue. Enter your business name and provide your website link if you have one. Click on continue. Now enter your address and contact details and click on continue. Select if you already have any contacts or not and click on continue. Select what you are offering on your blog and click on continue, or you can skip this part as well. Now click on let's go. Next step is to connect Convertful with Mailchimp. So let's go and add Mailchimp integration to Convertful. Go to integrations and click on add integration. Select Mailchimp, click on connect, enter your credentials and click on login. Now click on allow. Now you have successfully connected Convertful to Mailchimp. By default, setting is set to double opt-in confirmation on subscription. That is, on click of subscribe button, user will receive email to confirm subscription. If user confirms, only then user will be added to your subscription list. Just to test this feature, fill the form and submit. You will receive a mail for confirmation like this one. Now click on yes, subscribe me to this list. Then confirm humanity and click on subscribe. Now you have subscribed successfully and your email is added to subscription list. Click on continue to your website. Now let's disable the double opt-in feature by clicking on the toggle button, as we want user to get subscribed as soon as they click on the subscribe button without any confirmation mail. Click on save changes. Now let's go to audience from our menu and click on the view contacts. Here you can see your subscribers now. Next step is to create an email campaign to send emails. Go to campaigns from menu and click on email. Enter your campaign name and click on begin. Click on edit recipients. Select your audience, click on save. Click on add subject. Enter your subject line and click on save. Now click on design email. You can select your template now. Multiple layouts and themes are available here. You can select whatever suits you. Let's click on themes. Select any theme you like and update it accordingly. This is my selected theme and this is my customized version. Now click on this arrow button and click on continue. Now you have to click on the send button and click on send now. You have successfully sent mail to your subscribers. You can go to your test email with which you have subscribed previously and check your email if you have received one or not. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Do check our blog and website. Link is provided in the description. If you like our content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Miss Tech Hack.